Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Tech to improve your visibility on the road. FrontLane is using motion sensors and bright pulsing LEDs in what it calls the braking bar. It wirelessly attaches to your vehicle's rear window and comes on only when it senses hard braking. The idea, says co-founder Jack Begaj, is to more rapidly alert those in back of you.
As of today, rear-end collisions account for 40% of all car accidents. There's over 2 million per year just in the U.S. alone.
The braking bar at brakingbar.com makes sense and sells for $99. In the meantime, a new highly reflective bike helmet called Moment has hit Indiegogo. It is well made, is well ventilated, requires no batteries, and can make riding more safe. Search for Moment Bike Helmet on Indiegogo. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.